Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the ultimate dreams for many investors, making money in your sleep. And we will explore how you can achieve this through passive income streams. What is passive income? Passive income is money you can earn without too much ongoing effort. After you establish a passive income stream, you won't need to tend to it every day. But that doesn't mean you won't have to do some work now and then. Passive income ideas require an initial investment of time, money or other resources. They also require a degree of monitoring or regular maintenance to keep things on track. How to get passive income? People typically generate passive income in one of three main ways: investing, asset building, and asset sharing. Investing offers the biggest opportunities for generating passive income, but it might require big sums of money to generate meaningful returns. Some of the passive investing ideas include dividend stocks. These stocks reward investors with regular payouts of company profits. But they require owning the stock, which means you likely have to tie up thousands, if not tens or hundreds of thousands, of dollars to earn significant income from dividend stocks. Real estate. Owning rental properties is one of the oldest ways to generate passive income. But repair and maintenance requirements can become major time and money drains. So, consider alternative sources of real estate investing, like real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Peer-to-peer lending. You act as a lender to a third party and earn interest as the initial amount you loaned is paid back. But it comes with a risk that the person or people you loan to may default on their loans. Domain name investing. You purchase inexpensive domain names and hope you'll be able to resell them at a profit. But it carries the risk that you won't be able to sell the domains you purchase and therefore will lose your initial investment. Vending machines. Owning and operating vending machines can provide a, mostly, passive income stream. But remember that you'll need to allocate space for storage and take on the risk that comes with moving perishable products. Asset building. Asset building requires the upfront time and effort to build an income-generating asset. Some of the asset building ideas include digital products. You spend time building digital products once and then are able to sell the same asset again and again online. Music and photo licensing. If you've got a creative streak, you can turn your photographs or music into a stream of passive income by licensing it to stock image and music sites. Custom design products. By uploading original designs to print-on-demand websites, you can earn passive income each time someone orders a product emblazoned with your design. Passive income ideas. Asset sharing. Asset sharing means selling or renting out assets that you already own. Some of the asset sharing ideas include renting your home on Airbnb. You can earn passive income by renting out your spare room or even your entire home. Renting your car. You can earn passive income by renting out your car through car-sharing platforms like Turo. Investing in a business. You can become a silent investor in a business and earn passive income in the form of dividends or a share of the profits. So, there you have it. These are some of the best sources of passive income that can help you make money in your sleep. But remember that each of these ideas comes with its own set of risks. So be sure to do your research before investing your time and money into any of them. Thanks for watching, and learning some ideas.